Okay, today we're going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung TV without using the remote. Now, before we show you how to do this, we just want to make sure you understand that this is a complete reset and will return your TV back to the original way it was when you first took it out of the box. Now, stay with me here because I'm going to say something a little crazy here, and you're going to say, seriously? But this is true because I've done my research. The only way to really do this is to get yourself a USB keyboard. In other words, a keyboard with a USB cable dangling off of it. Where do you get one of these? You can try your local Staples or Walmart. They still have them, I believe, an old computer that you have in the house, or I'll throw a link down in our description box where you can get one usually within a day from Amazon. Okay, once you get your keyboard, just plug it into the USB port on the back of your Samsung TV. Go to Settings, go to General, and then hit Reset. Quick, super important note, if it asks for a PIN code, it's all zeroed. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.